Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at WWR stock. Now this one you can see on Friday saw a decrease in price of 1.9%. We need to have a speak about this stock though because we are coming to a very interesting point and it could be a very exciting week ahead. I'll be explaining why tonight. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions as well over the course of this video. If it does sound good, if you do enjoy it, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, I'd like to remind you, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please do make sure you're doing your own research. Now, coming in here, and actually let's make this a bit larger, a few things that I want to highlight if I can. The stock on Friday, whilst down a little bit, has seen a few things play out. The drop is significantly less substantial than what we saw through the majority part of last week, indicating that we could be seeing a slowdown in downtrend. Now, this also coincides very nicely with a level or the levels that we are seeing the stock hit. I mean, realistically, zoom in a little bit to the late part of the day and just draw that line across, right? Whether you want to say 190, 191, maybe even 189, you are seeing the stock hit these levels and really remain quite flat around there. That could be a very good sign, as this has been a support before from really about the 8th, the 9th, into the 10th and the well, about the 10th, right? We saw a very strong consolidation in that time frame. Now, going forwards into this week ahead, we want to see the same thing happen again. If you do not see this hold, I think you could be looking at levels quite a bit down. You could be looking at 170, you could be looking at 165. But realistically, again, this level up here, 189, 190, is going to be the ideal range to hold. If you're able to do that, this week could be a week of consolidation. This week could also be a week where we see a potential breakout. I mean, already we've seen the stock try and test levels such as 205 and really just fail at the moment. Again, we've seen the stock try and test a level such as 210, just really struggling to break above that. So 2.5, 210, 215, next levels to watch for the upside. Then you've got 220, that's going to be a big one to break. If you can do that, you could easily be looking at 230, and from 230 levels such as 235, 245, 250, potentially as well to the upside. So yeah, I want to see the stock begin to see a little bit of a turnaround. Now the RSI now, it was overbought back on the 15th, as you may expect, after this major run-up. But I think everything in context, guys. In context, this stock is still up huge, right? The stock appears to be consolidating very nicely, and the stock could be beginning to find a nice base for further potential pushes. Whilst it seems dramatic, whilst nobody likes to see stocks go down, I think in broad context, we're in a situation now where the stability that we are beginning to potentially see is beginning to form a nice base for the stock to potentially push on to higher highs. Now, of course, they may be a bit far off, but again, I think if we do see that consolidation this week, it could be a very good sign. Now, I'd love to hear all of your personal thoughts and opinions, so do drop me a comment in the comment section. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.